Okay guys, so yun ang nangyari sa akin no last December, and today is January 15, 2024, and my first check-up with the doctor. Honestly speaking, I was hopeless last time kasi the doctor said na meron lang rehab kung paralysis yung nangyari. Pero I'm so happy today guys kasi meron palang rehab for my situation na merong blind spot na parang merong hindi nagpa-function sa aking brain na para makita ko yung sa left side, no? So hopefully by Wednesday this week magpapa-enroll ako sa rehab 3 times a week na rehabilitation program para maibalik yung complete eyesight ko. No, so ano talaga ang nangyari sa aking brain? The right portion of my brain that functions for the left eyesight is na stroke. I remember my father had a stroke last 2020. He was hospitalized due to heart attack. Yun ang sabi ng doktor doon. Na-survive ng father ko ang heart attack, pero during the time na nasa hospital siya, we were in a public hospital, and unfortunately that time hindi namin na-report kaagad na may nangyaring changes sa speech niya. So na-report namin sa doctor na hindi na namin maiintindihan yung speech ng aking father. Lagpas 2 araw na hindi ko talaga makakalimutan yung sinabi ng doctor sa akin na you should have reported it diretso. Kasi ang stroke daw is, ang damage ng stroke is irreversible if naglast na siya more than 24 hours. Sabi niya, once na stroke ang tao, pag ano yung damage niya, pag hindi naagapan, irreversible na siya. Nag-recover naman yung speech ng aking father, pero meron talagang hindi maintindihan sa kanya. Nahihirapan talaga siyang magsalita ngayon. Although, since sanay na kami sa kanya, so naiintindihan ko siya. Kasi sanay na ako sa kanya. Pero, if he will be talking to other people, mahirapan talaga makaintindi sa kanya. So, going back, sa nangyari sa akin, I'm sure na December 22, stroke na pala yung nangyari sa akin. Nawala siya, and then pagka December 23, I was totally fine. And December 24, I was also fine, although meron siyang something, one time na nawala din, na naging okay na din, until December 25. December 22 pa yun, hanggang sa December 25 na talaga siya naging, hindi na siya nawala, and then December 29 in the evening na ako nadala sa hospital. Ang nangyari sa brain ko is, yung na-stroke na part ng aking brain, hindi na talaga siya maagapan. Pero, yung other part of the brain, yun ang i-hope natin na mag-function, mag-reconnect to work for the function of the brain na na-stroke. Kung ano yung function niya, ipa-function ng mga other part of the brain na hindi affected. Meron akong medication ngayon to avoid second stroke, to avoid another stroke. Pero, yung para mag-reconnect yung brain, I have to undergo therapy. So, by Wednesday guys, papa-enroll na ako doon sa therapy center. And I am praying na sana effective yun. So far naman daw, effective naman daw. Pero I'm so thankful with the Lord kasi He is still gracious. He is still gracious, and in spite of, I am still very thankful with the Lord. I am still rejoicing with the Lord. Si Lord lang naman talaga ang may alam sa ating buhay. I will just completely submit to His will. Yun lang naman talaga. And yun, I will be sharing to you more about updates sa buhay ko guys, dito sa channel na ito. And hopefully, mai-share ko yung experience ko to help others, no? Na hindi kayo matulad sa akin na it took me a while bago matreat ng doctor. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!